Hi Wellham fan, welcome back to our channel. I'm Debbie.
I'm Darren.
And
this is a musical ice waterfall build.
I believe it says it lights up as well, but you know. Right, so some detail for you. I got this from AliExpress.
Yeah.
Apparently there's about 636 pieces. It's not a huge doodah.
Yeah.
If you know what I mean. It cost £12.73 including VAT. So it wasn't hugely expensive either.
Yeah.
I've wanted to do a music box one for a while. There are different type ones they've got. I went for this primarily because it's blues and clear and just beautiful.
Yeah. And strange enough, it's actually got clearance in over here as well. Everything has been done because it's actually got an address over here for it.
So I'm just
they are actually suitable as toy bits, which is unusual.
Yes, it is.
Good.
Now, I've not opened this before.
Obviously, because you've just done the typing bit. What the hell is that?
So that'll be the base bag.
All right, yeah.
And no, you're not listening to the music beforehand, guys. Sorry.
All right, yeah.
It's not happening. Right, so it goes that way round, and it's actually different. Looks like it winds on there.
Yeah.
So that's your base. Got quite
a hefty book.
A hefty book. That's got some oomph to it, actually.
Yeah.
I love the fact it's showing a little Lego person. Look at that. I'm just going to have a look at the back because it may have all the pieces, which it doesn't. Okay, so that's going to be a straight to build once I've sorted.
So they may all be all done in separate bags.
Yeah, don't know. So let's have a look at what we've got here.
Yeah,
right.
They've got different numbers on. Oh, so they've got different numbers anyway.
Right. So we have got, we've got some wee little flower bits.
Yeah, just
on the doodah.
Little bits to go on at the end.
So we've got a three, another three, and yes, it does light up.
Hey.
This I should imagine is a. Oh, look at that! That is a flashy tool.
Yeah, that's number one. All right.
Yeah, I would expect it to be because it had the tool in it.
Yeah.
So we've got one bag one so far. Aha, we have got a two. A
three.
Another 2 ones. So we've got there, don't you? That's another one. Right, so there's 4 bag ones, 3 bag twos, and 3 bag threes. Always makes it a lot simpler.
Yeah.
And what I do is I just keep.
Although you did have one before that were done in 1s, 2s, 3s.
And I thinking, look.
And you're thinking, oh, this is good, but it wasn't because you still had to mix them. You still had to do them. That was the small street of
Diagon Alley.
Yeah. Wasn't it? I say, because they were all mixed together. It's great.
But yeah. Right, so I'll put the light bit in there just near the top so I don't lose it. Yeah, so all that leaves me to say, guys, is let's get building. guys, so after 11 hours exactly, we got all those spares.
Oh.
Yep.
I know a Garfield bath would do some of them.
Yeah, couldn't it? Right. 3, 2, 1, revealio! It's so pretty. So, rather than me turning it, let's get it to turn itself. It's alright. Oh, hang on. Let's try that again. Whoops. I'll put that back on in a minute. Yes, I know, love.
Yeah.
Will you stop saying that? Right. I'll put this back on in a minute. And there you go. Right. It says it's really lovely.
That's it.
Right. So if you turn on the lights, I can pop this back into its said bit. Well, I could if I was round the right way. Right. So let's hang on a minute. As you can see, because obviously. There we go.
You've done the last of us.
Okay. There's actually 3 light settings. One's really flashy.
Yeah.
One's slightly less flashy, and the other one you've just seen, which is just on. And I'm not a great lover of flashy because I've got mild epilepsy, so. That is the only issue I have with this. Oi. Oh. You little devil. Oh. Behave yourself. Jeez,
you've got a bit over here as well.
Alright, hang on. Basically, guys, I really wouldn't fiddle with it too much, if you know what I mean. It's sort of...
When we saw the bit to start off with, I thought it was rather strange that you had a twisty bit on the bottom of the bloody thing.
Yeah. Damn. I
mean, it would have made more sense to have it on the side, really. You know what I mean?
Honestly.
Wouldn't it?
Well, yeah.
You wouldn't have had to keep moving it.
Hang on. If I can just wedge that in place. Aha. There we go. We'll do that. So, yeah. I mean, it is pretty. It really is. It's very delicate. And at times it has been an absolute pig to do.
The whole thing is only held on there by 2 very small blocks.
Yeah, at the very base. Just 2 teeny tiny spots. But yeah, it is lovely. I could probably fiddle about with the lights a bit more, but I didn't really want to end up having to pick all of it up, guys, I'll be honest. So, yeah, that is our 11 hours worth of work.
Yeah.
That is super pretty, to be fair. Ooh. Yeah. Right, guys, so all that leaves little Tweety Bird to say is be different, a very, very on hoo-hoo, and Dicky Bird, very gentle, boop, tweet.